It's a beautiful day here at Animal Kingdom, and we're gonna head inside and see what the wait times are like and walk around and check out the animals, and you just couldn't ask for a more beautiful day. I'm Nikki, and this is NixPix.
Jam it on with us. Hit it.
I finally made it into Animal Kingdom. I had a bit of a snafu at the bus stop at Fort Wilderness. I waited almost an hour for an Animal Kingdom bus to get here. But I'm here. We made it in. It's rather busy today. The sun is getting hotter and hotter as the day goes on. I was hoping to get here earlier this morning so you can kind of get the animals out when it's a little bit cooler. So hopefully we'll have some luck and we'll be able to see some great animals here at Animal Kingdom. And just take a look at what's around. Come on, join me. Let's go. It is very busy today here at Animal Kingdom. Time to go find some quiet spots.
For the park, it's all church. Tamarind, cotton top.
started on 2017.
So it is 12:30. This is the end of the line for the 1:30 to 2:30 show. As much as I would love to see The Lion King now that it's back in action, I'm not going to be standing here half my day.
Hello everybody, if we're looking for Celebration Festival Lion King, the line is down this way. If we are hopping in line, you would be hopping in line for a 1:30 show at this point. The 1:30 show, and the line is down
Thank you.
this way.
All right, let's go find what else we can do. This is usually full of fish. There's all the fish. They're over here hiding because it's so hot.
That's a fight. That's a fight. That's a hippopotamus fight. That's a fight. You're right. They just met that hippopotamus. Huge jury. Oh, they might be fighting. Look at them.
Come right in front of you.
Really close.
To see them.
Yeah? Oh my, that was good.
Look at his mouth open in the water there.
You think he's trying to catch some fish? Yeah. The dish machine.
Something made a noise.
have a little bird.
What? Don't mind out. Didn't it? We're just, we don't want to carry it around. It's an actual round.
He came to me. I thought not long after he did the bird.
It sounded like all nice when you get off cool by themselves. You just have to aim to the center of the target in front of you, or get off the tee. So winner number 4, congratulations. Thank you very much for joining us. Our next round begins in 2 minutes. My line begins right behind me. 5, 6, and 7. Hi there, how many?
Alligator gar, we have those as lake tank. You go round and round, Grayson. Round and round and round. We have 6. Oh, yeah, we enjoy it.
That's how dinosaurs have been presented to the public since the study of fossils began over 150
commencing in T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Polyuramus. Hadrosaur.
They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything!
my favorite place to eat in Animal Kingdom. Alright guys, it's been a nice but hot day here at Animal Kingdom. It was very busy. We did get to walk around and see some cool stuff, so I hope you enjoyed. I thank you for coming along with me. I'm going to finish out today with one of my favorite things to do here at Animal Kingdom, and that is eat at the Flame Tree BBQ. I love to get the mac and cheese with the pulled pork, onion rings, and coleslaw on top, and sit here in the back and look at this gorgeous view. Thanks so much, and we'll see you real soon. Please make sure to hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up, don't forget to leave a comment, visit my t-shirt shop and my social media links, and we'll see you real soon.